This 2016 Hyundai Tucson is brought to you by J&M Auto Sales Inc. This 2016 Hyundai Tucson Sport AWD is a one-owner with a clean Carfax history, and the previous owner took great care of the vehicle and it shows. The paint looks excellent with a deep glossy shine, and the interior is very clean with no unusual stains or unusual odors. The vehicle was just fully serviced and inspected. Everything is up to date, and it comes with $0 deductible nationwide warranty at no cost. Mechanically, this 2016 Hyundai Tucson Sport AWD runs and drives very nice. It starts right up and idles smooth, accelerates and shifts nice, and it drives great at highway speeds, 65 to 70 miles per hour, with no unusual noises, and it drives nice around town as well. It has the 1.6-liter, which not only gets great gas mileage but has proven very dependable over the years. This Hyundai Tucson Sport comes with power windows, power locks, cruise, roof backup camera, premium radio with as an upgrade, alloy wheels, cloth package, air conditioning, Bluetooth and more. It's one great looking, great driving fun. Visit us at jmmotorslebanon.com.